Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off play animated emoji on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click accessibility, and here as you see you will find play animated emoji. Click on it like this, and that's it, it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off play animated emoji on your account on Discord. On accessibility settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.